Ever wondered if you could make $50,000 a month just by creating quick UGC or TikTok shop videos without even showing your face? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using a brand new app called Sora. And if you're a brand or business owner, you can do this too without paying a fortune to creators. Now, here are a few videos I've already generated using Sora.
You guys kept asking what cleared up my skin. It's this entire CosRX routine. I was breaking out constantly until I started using this complete set together. 3 weeks in and people think I'm wearing makeup when I'm not. Stop overthinking it, just get the button.
Your favorite influencers' running shoes aren't better than these. The chunky sole hype is real, and you don't need designer brands. Brand names? You're just paying for the logo. Tell me I'm wrong. Link below.
In this video, I'll walk you through every step of how to create a video just like that one using Sora. So let's jump in. All right, here's the full process. First, download the Sora app from the App Store onto your phone. Before you can start, you'll need an access code. If you don't have one yet, just subscribe to my newsletter and my YouTube channel and drop a comment saying you've done that. I'll send you a code. Next, we're going to create our prompt. Open up Claude or ChatGPT and upload your product image and description. You can just screenshot them if you want. Then ask it to write a 10-second Sora prompt for a UGC or TikTok shop style video. Once you have that prompt, you're all set to jump into Sora. And if you want to use the exact prompt I used to generate this video, plus some of my other favorite prompt templates, just head over to aiappscout.com and check the resources page. You can download them from there, and I've linked it in the description below. Inside Sora, after entering your access code, you'll see a feed of AI-generated videos. Just click the plus icon, upload your product image, paste in your prompt, and hit generate. You can make up to 5 videos at once and up to 100 in 24 hours. Then, you'll have your videos ready to go.
Your favorite influencers' running shoes aren't better than these. The chunky sole hype is real, and you don't need designer brands. Brand names are just paying for the logo. Tell me I'm wrong. Link below.
Once your video is generated, you'll notice it has a watermark. To remove it, I've linked VMake in the description. It's $9 a month. But hey, if you know a free watermark remover, drop it in the comments so we can all help each other out. In VMake, just upload your video, hit remove, and if it misses a spot, you can go back and clean it up. As a bonus, use VMake's enhancer to make your video super crisp and HD. Once you're done, you've got a watermark-free, high-quality video ready for TikTok. There are creators already making $20,000, $50,000, even $80,000 a month doing UGC and TikTok shop videos. And by adding a tool like this into your social media workflow, you could easily double or triple your income potential. So if you're interested in generating this kind of video, there's real money to be made. And right now it's Q4, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Thanksgiving, Christmas, all the biggest shopping holidays are coming. This is the best time of the year to sell products, and using this system can put you ahead of everyone else. And remember, if you want the exact prompts I used, just head over to the resources page on aiappscout.com. I've linked them all for you. When you subscribe to my newsletter there and my YouTube channel, I'll send you new AI tools every Friday so you never miss the latest updates. AI App Scout is the largest AI tool directory, so you'll always find something useful no matter what you're working on. All the links are in the description.
Your favorite influencers' running shoes aren't better than these. The chunky sole hype is real, and you don't need designer brands to get it. Brand names are just paying for the logo. Tell me I'm wrong.
Every crafter needs a mobile supply station. This cart keeps my supplies organized and I can wheel it wherever I'm working. No more running back and forth. Craft room essential. Link below.
Spending an hour sharpening knives with a whetstone is just gatekeeping. This auto sharpens in 2 seconds and works just as well. Change my mind. Traditional methods are overrated. Come at me, knife snobs. Link below.
I have tried so many Korean skincare routines, but this CosRX set is the only one that actually delivered on the glass skin promise. Every single product works perfectly together. No breakouts, no irritation.
That's it for today's video. Next time, I'll test Sora with my own face to see if you can create UGC or product promotion videos that way. If you're curious, make sure to subscribe. And tell me in the comments, do you think this tool can really help creators cook up amazing content and make money? Or are they already cooked? I want to hear your take.